Hello everyone, welcome you all in today's my video. In today's video, I will giving you solution of your history chapter 5, that is Vedic age of your social science book of New Logman Vistas. Okay, so let's start this video with solution of chapter 5, the Vedic age. So first exercise of this chapter is section A, choose the correct answer and fill in the blanks. Okay, so dear viewers, इस सेक्शन जितने भी इस चैप्टर के जितने भी ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस हैं उनका मैं केवल स्लाइड में मैंने केवल आंसर शो किया है, क्वेश्चन में वर्बली बताऊंगी. ओके, सो आप क्वेश्चन को अपने बुक से देख लें और आंसर इस वीडियो से देखकर नोट डाउन कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ सेक्शन ए, द डैश इज द ओल्डेस्ट अमंग वेदास. सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज ऋग्वेदा. ओके, क्वेश्चन टू, डैश वॉज द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर्म ऑफ वेल्थ for people in the early Vedic age. So correct option of this question is option D, cattle. Question 3, the early Vedic society did not have class or caste distinctions based on days. So correct option option C, birth. Here is a typing mistake. This word is B. प्लीज़ करेक्ट इट. यहाँ पे स्पेलिंग थोड़ी सी मिस्टेक है, आप प्लीज़ सुधार लीजिएगा. BIRTH, बर्थ. ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट ऑप्शन. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 4, द चैल्कोलिथिक कल्चर मार्क्ड बाय द यूज ऑफ डैश एंड डैश विथ स्टोन टूल्स. सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन is option B, bronze and copper. So complete answer is the Chalcolithic culture marked by the use of bronze and copper with stone tools. Okay, next question 5, dash are large stone boulders or block of rocks arranged by people into monuments and structure. So correct option of this question is option A, megaliths. Okay, here section A all questions solution is completed. Next exercise B, fill in the blanks. So first question of filling the blanks is, the Vedas originated from the word with which means knowledge. Okay, question 2, black and red wire is found at the excavation sites located in the Ganga Valley. Question 3, the group of people who opposed the Aryans were described as dasas or dasyus. So here is again a typing mistake. Dasas. Okay, dasas and dasyus. Fourth, the megaliths could have acted as signposts to find the burial site. Next, we will proceed section E, match the columns. So first Rigveda, correct match is 1028 hymns. Second Yajurveda contains mantras to be recited when performing rituals. Third Earthveda, correct match is contains songs, spells and magical charms to cast away evil spirits. Fourth, Samveda contains tunes for the prayers in Rig Veda. Fifth, Imam Gaon. So correct match is Chalcolithic site. Okay. Next, section D. Answer the following question in 10 to 20 words. In this section, I am giving you questions and answer both. Okay. So let's start. First question. What are the main sources for the study of the Vedic age? So answer is both literary and archaeological sources help us to reconstruct the history of the people of the Vedic age. Question 2. How many Vedas are there? Name them. So answer is there are 4 Vedas. They are the Rig Veda, Samveda, Yajurveda and Atharvaveda. Question 3. Which types of pottery are associated with the Vedic period? So answer is there were 2 types of pottery: painted grey ware PGW, black and red wire BRW. Question 4. Name the rivers mentioned in the Rig Veda. So answer is Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati, Ravi, Jhelum. Question 5. What are the megalith? So answer megaliths are large stone boulders or block of rocks arranged by people into a structure or a monument. Here section D, all question answer is completed. Next we will proceed section E. Answer the following question in 50 to 70 words. So first question is, how was the Vedic knowledge transmitted? What were the contents of each Veda? So answer, the hymns of the Vedas were transmitted orally from one generation to the next. They were written down several centuries after they were composed. They were composed in Vedic Sanskrit, which is very different from the modern Sanskrit language. It is a collection of prayers offered to Agni, the fire god Indra, the warrior god, the fire god Indra, the warrior god Varun, Surya and other gods by various families of poets and sages. The Samveda contains tunes for the prayers of the Rig Veda. The Yajurveda contains mantras to be recited when performing rituals. The Atharvaveda contains songs, spells and magical charms to cast away evil spirit. Question 2. What do the burials of the Chalcolithic and Megalithic culture tell us? Answer. The goods found along with the burials tell service in lot about the customs, practices and social setup of the Chalcolithic culture. Archaeologists and historians have been able to tell us about the social differentiation on the basis of the types of objects found with the skeletal remains, for many of the warriors of later period contained tools and weapons of iron, skeletons of horse, equipment and ornaments of stone and gold. Next, question 3. Mention a few distinguishing features of the Chalcolithic culture? So answer is the Chalcolithic culture is marked by the use of copper and bronze with stone. The Chalcolithic people built rectangular and circular houses of mud, mostly in clusters. They were not acquainted with burnt bricks. Fire worship seems to have been a very widespread phenomenon among the Chalcolithic people, as the altars have been found at a number of calculating sites. The archaeological findings give indication of the system of disposal of the dead. The goods find along with the burial tell us a lot about the custom, practice, and social and setup of the Chalcolithic cultures. Question 4. Write short notes on first Vedic age. So on Vedic age, short note is the date of composition of this text is highly contested among historians who study this text. They have suggested various dates. However, many historians believe that early Vedic texts were composed around 1500 to 1000 BCE and the later Vedic age were composed around 1000 to 600 BCE. The period during which the Vedas were composed is known as Vedic age. Next, question 2. Chalcolithic culture. On Chalcolithic culture, short note is the Chalcolithic culture is marked by the use of copper and bronze with stone. The Chalcolithic people built rectangular and circular houses of mud, mostly in clusters. They were not acquainted with burnt bricks. Fire worship seems to have been a very widespread phenomenon among the Chalcolithic people, as fire altars have been found at a number of Chalcolithic sites. Third, short note on Imamgaon. Imamgaon is a Chalcolithic site located in Maharashtra. The remains of the burials found at this site indicate a unique culture, fruit of the society. People at Imamgaon followed various occupations. Some were agriculturists, some were hunter-gatherers, and still others were pastoralism. Archaeologists have been find evidence of wheat, barley, rice, pulses, peas, sesame, and malts. Bones of several animals like goat, cattle, buffalo, dog, horse, pig, spotted deer, carp, fish, etc. have been found. Okay. I again correct is have been found. Some of the bones bore cut marks, which suggest that a few of these animals were used as food by the people of Imamgaon. Fourth short note on Rig Veda. The Rig Veda is the oldest of all of the four Vedas. It was composed about 305 years ago. 3,500 years ago. It contains 1028 hymns, which are divided into 10 parts. It is collection of prayers offered to Agni, the fire god, Indra, the warrior god, Varun, Surya and other gods by various families of poets and sages. Here section E, all question answer is completed. Next we will proceed section F. Answer the following questions in 80 to 200 words. So first question of this section is, what changes took place in the economic life of people in early Vedic period and the later Vedic period? So answer is early Vedic period. People in the early Vedic period practiced agriculture with cattle rearing. The Rig Veda suggests that cattle formed the most important form of wealth for the people. There frequent battles for cattle. The importance of the cattle can be judged from the word for battle, Gavesti, which means search for cows. Later Vedic period. In the later Vedic period, agriculture seems to have become the main source of livelihood. It was facilitated by the use of iron tools for clearing forest and ploughing. Shift from pastoral economy to agricultural economy seems to have led to the rise of other art and craft such as carpentry, weaving, jewelry making, dyeing and pottery making. There seems to have been trade with different religions as well. Question 2. Discuss the social divisions of the Vedic society. So answer is early Vedic period. During the early Vedic period, the Rig Veda mentions social classes on the basis of the types of work people took up. It is also mentioned that people from the same family could take up different occupations. The early Vedic society did not have class or caste distinctions based on birth. Later Vedic period. During the later Vedic period, caste and class distinctions become rigid. The society came to be divided into four distinct class is based on birth: Brahmanism, Kshatriya, Vaishyas and Sudras. Okay. So dear viewers, here your history chapter 5, all solution is completed. I hope all solution given by me is very helpful to you for making your notes. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.